Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this video. Now, this video is completely different. It's going to be a first for this channel of many. This is wild weather videos. So some of these, they captivate you. They really do. You watch one or two and you're hooked. Because the weather just gets so bizarre. And where I live here in the UK, we don't really get bizarre weather. If it snows, it's like that deep. So it's really pathetic compared to the rest of the world. So here we go. Remember to like and subscribe for me, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. And let's go.
Hello, everyone. No matter how advanced technology becomes, nature never stops amazing us. Today we are exploring some of the most impressive and rare moments ever captured on camera.
Oh, crap.
Let's get started.
Warning, educational videos. Okay.
A Norwegian man had a terrifying encounter with nature's power when lightning struck just moments away from his boat.
Well, that'd have me make an encounter, meaning I'd need new underwear for that bolt of lightning. Wow. Okay. Yep, that'd be me. Yep. Getting out now.
A single lightning strike was enough to leave more than 12,500 people in
Wow.
Jacksonville sitting in the dark for hours. I hope anyone taking shelter under a tree during a storm gets to see this video.
Hey! Wow, look how it just strips the bark off. And half of the tree. Damn! Okay.
The police officer's reaction says it all.
Copper's got the
Nature
right
can be more
idea.
powerful and unpredictable than we often
Yep,
realize.
he's getting back in his car. He's like, nope, I'm staying earthed. Because I don't know if you're aware, if you stay in your car during a lightning strike and it hits your car, you're safe. You won't get electrocuted because the car will earth you. So you're completely safe in your car. But yeah, the police officer has definitely got the right idea with that one. Wow.
Are you enjoying a peaceful day?
Quick, get the
Or are you
doggo.
dealing with challenging weather
Quick,
conditions?
doggo, quick.
Let us know.
Whoa! Yeah, good job they did get the dog. It's a very great dog. I feel so sorry for the homeowner. Could you imagine? It'd be like, I've only just paid for that. I've only just paid for that decking furniture and now it's gone. Oh, that was a waste of a few £100 or a few $100. Oh, now see snow like this. We never have snow like blasts like this in the UK. At least I've not seen one this bad. I would love to, but it just doesn't happen. Like I said, when we get snow, it's very little. Unless you're up in the Highlands of Scotland, where it does go deeper. But mostly in the lower parts of the UK, it very rarely comes down.
It's hard to recognize New York City when a snowstorm transforms it into something that looks straight out of the Arctic.
That's a whiteout though, isn't it? That is a whiteout, as they call it. Wow. You do not want to get caught out in that.
A powerful gust of wind suddenly spun a billboard in a different direction, nearly causing a collision and raising questions about the safety of urban structures.
Quick, 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 quick. Oh, he got lucky. They got lucky. Oh boy, the wind's got it. They could have... Oh! There was me concentrating on the lorry. Oh! Jesus Christ! I'm sorry, no way. That's just lorry after lorry. No, I was originally concentrating on this one, was you? Wow. He got out at the right time. Jesus Christ.
Some moments prove that luck can be just 1 second away from disaster. Let's take a look at these unbelievable situations.
I've actually seen that happen. Oh!
Sometimes all it takes is seeing what firefighters go through to appreciate your own job a little more.
Kablooey! Whoa!
A like and a simple thank you can be meaningful support for these everyday heroes.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it takes some guts to do that. Nice. Piggies!
Oh no, nature just ruined the peaceful nap of these adorable little friends.
Piggy wiggies!
It's hard to believe such a large man could be afraid of a tiny dog. His courage seems more fragile than a cabbage leaf.
Oh my God, are you okay? She's not gonna
Wow, he did a Usain Bolt. He was gone. That one ain't missing, is it?
Loyalty, affection, and charm are exactly why dogs hold such a special place in so many families across the United States.
Is he drunk? Oh, that could have gone worse.
Even though it isn't an original Spitfire, it still serves as a reminder that historic aircraft come with unique challenges and risks.
Yeah, that could have gone a lot worse. Oh. Oh. No, you can't park there, mate. Oh, crap.
A stretch of highway in California unexpectedly became an emergency runway, and that decision helped the pilot keep everyone safe. It looked as though the lightning decided to start the vehicle and its electrical system without any human assistance.
What about that?
Inside.
Yeah.
Ah!
With that electrical spark, I'd be looking round the back to make sure if a Terminator hasn't turned up. See Arnold Schwarzenegger walking around naked. Amazon!
If you think sunny skies mean you don't need to worry about lightning, this scene may change your mind.
That was a loud one.
In just a few seconds, nature revealed its power through a landslide that unfolded with astonishing speed.
What? Flash flood? Oh, right, the bridge has gone.
Flooding caused by melting ice combined with high temperatures can destroy bridges and infrastructure. It's a vivid example of the impacts of climate change.
That goes another bridge.
A split-second decision saved the pilot's life when he deployed his ejection system just in time before a
Yeah, I've
landing
seen this
incident
one
at Fort
before.
Worth military base.
Yeah. He lost control, didn't he? Look.
The incident at Madrid Airport shows that no matter how impressive the skills on display may be, safety must always remain the top priority during aerial performances.
We didn't get to see what happened now. Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, straight crash.
I always enjoy hearing how people watch these videos. What device are you watching on today?
PC! Yeah!
After creating such a huge mess, this cat probably needs a lawyer more than a meal.
Always a cat.
See you guys.
Cat left it, so it's not my fault. I'm not getting blamed.
The dog's fierce reaction makes me wonder whether he really belongs in that house.
Is that a wild boar? It looked like it. Oh, an AI robot.
Help me find the similarity between these two videos.
Okay. We have a robot.
You ready?
Oh, wow. The similarity was, the second one was terrifying to a lot of people. How about that? Oh boy. Oh!
When the line between safety and danger is measured
My heart went then, I tell ya. I actually thought he was going to go off onto the carriageway underneath.
Measured in only a few inches, you begin to understand the true value of life.
Oh. Got lucky. They got lucky.
Ooh. What a good breath.
Damn. Oh, they skidded. Oh. Oh, go beep beep. Oh.
A vehicle's braking system is more than just another component. It's the line
That's
between
definitely
safety
beep, beep,
and
get
disaster.
away.
Have you checked yours lately?
That's a write-off. The delivery's arrived. I've heard of straight to your door, but that's ridiculous.
Some days, a single moment can use up nearly all of your luck for the entire year, and this might be one of those days.
He was lucky, yeah. Oh boy.
Perhaps he spent a lot of time praying to God, and today's safety is the blessing he received.
That's, is that what they call it? Tuk-tuk. Where they come from? They just appeared out of nowhere. Oh, she did. Woman driver. That tire's gonna pop, yeah. What goes up must come
When a
down.
tire reaches its breaking point, maybe this is its way of relieving stress after being pushed too hard for too long.
Oh, God. Yeah, they didn't want to do that. That teacher.
Running inside the house is probably the best response when warnings like these start appearing.
Oh, yep. Wasn't even raining. Oh. Where did it hit? Gee. Just obliterated a load of trees.
The way lightning branches as it travels is what creates those stunning patterns like giant trees painted across the night sky.
Raiden's busy. He's in Mortal Kombat. Gee. That actually hit that car. Whoa. Earthquake.
Numbers can be hard.
I tell you what, I am so grateful that where I live, like obviously the UK, we don't get earthquakes, anything like this. We have tiny ones, I think, very, very, very tiny, but we do not get anything like this. And as much as I would love to go to Japan, part of me would be worried that this would happen and I wouldn't have a clue what to do. So,
Hard
yeah.
to visualize, but this video clearly shows the true power of a magnitude 7.8 earthquake.
Yeah, that's a biggie.
它没绑。
对，没固定。
Right, well, bang goes your 10.
Strong winds can turn seemingly stationary objects into unexpected hazards.
Yeah.
Do you have any safety tips for storm season?
Go underground. Oh, that's not gonna hold. Kiss that goodbye. You're holding onto it.
After all those tense moments, it's time to relax and enjoy the incredible beauty of the sky.
Oh wow, look at that.
Lenticular rainbow clouds form when air rises over mountains and condenses. Have you ever seen lenticular clouds in person?
No, never. Looks stunning. Wow.
Lenticular rainbow clouds form when air rises over mountains and condenses. Have you ever seen lenticular clouds in person?
No, but look at this. Alright, it's a glitch in the Matrix there.
I'd love to hear the perspective of geologists, because this phenomenon is truly beyond anything I've ever known. Pouring hot charcoal into a bucket containing paint is a recipe for disaster.
Yep.
This is a vivid lesson in chemical and heat safety.
Yep, that is very silly. Oh!
In an instant, laughter and conversations around the dinner table were replaced by flames and chaos.
Jesus. Oh.
Waves in Hawaii can sometimes grow so large that the easiest way to understand their size is by comparing them to the height of a house. When do you usually take a few moments to watch videos like this?
Do you know what? That looks beautiful in a way, doesn't it? Look at that. That is unbelievable. That really is. Look. Wow. That just it doesn't look real, does it? The fact that, I mean, you got, look at the ice in the water. So you got all that cold water hitting it, and with the air is instantly freezing it. Jesus. Go swimming in that, go on. That'll wake you up in the morning.
A lightning strike caused a historic church steeple in Massachusetts to collapse, taking with it a piece of history that had stood for many years. This wasn't just a fire, it was the loss of a piece of Brooklyn's history. A building that had stood since 1853 disappeared in just a few hours.
Yeah, you can see it, that it's going to go. Oh, look at that.
The Dali Sanjuli section of National Highway 5 was brought to a halt by nature without any warning at all.
Wow. Oh, rough.
गाड़ी वाइड के फना हाय 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 गाड़ी वाइड के इंटरेस्ट हो गया है
Have you ever experienced sitting in a vehicle and witnessing the power of nature unfolding right beside you like this?
No.
Oh my God!
Flash of lightning. Oh, it hit the car. See? I said to you, you're safe.
It's hard to know what the driver was thinking at that moment, but this scene looked more like a bumper car ride than real-world traffic.
What's the diff? Oh! Oops, skiddies. Jesus. Oh!
If you come to Jonesboro planning to outrun the police, that's probably a risky decision from the start.
Yeah, with a trailer on board. Jesus. Yeah.
Just a moment of distraction while driving at 65 miles per hour can lead to an outcome no one wants.
Oh, fuck.
Nature
Oh, wow.
always finds a way to surprise us, and this three-horned goat is certainly one of those surprises.
Aww. Kitty! Little kitty. She's gonna get chased by a chicken.
Some calorie-burning workouts don't require a gym. A grumpy rooster is more than enough.
Yeah. Just tell it it's going to be dinner. So, oi! Who are you throwing that on? Come here!
After all the shaking and panic, the best news is that they made it through the magnitude 5.8
Ooh.
aftershock safely.
That caught one of them. Oh, it's alright. They got lucky.
A massive sinkhole suddenly appeared near the coast of Bangladesh, swallowing an entire house in just a few seconds. A structure that had stood strong for years collapsed in the blink of an eye in Tuscaloosa when controlled demolitions were triggered.
I don't want to see controlled demolition. I want to see nature. Oh, here we go. There we go. Lightning.
Power lines and rain are always a dangerous combination. Hopefully, the worker in New Jersey realizes that soon.
You weren't expecting that. You can hear it humming. I've seen Final Destination. Run.
When a turn is too sharp and cargo isn't properly secured, risk is always present and the consequences are often unavoidable.
Yeah, especially when it's them concrete rings.
From your perspective, who was at
smothered.
fault in this collision?
Geezer in the minivan. Come on!
Oh my God! We're in a tornado!
Oh!
In just a moment, everything changed. The tornado in St. Louis showed once again that nature possesses an unpredictable power.
It might flip the truck. Oh!
In Sydney, Seafoam was blown ashore by wind and waves, turning a parking lot into an unexpected snowfield.
Oh, little doggo's loving it. It's only a little Jack Russell. Oh, oh, wow, look at that.
Thank you for taking the time to watch and join us through today's journey.
You're welcome. Jeez, that is unbelievable. Where is that? Look at that, guys. Oh, drone. Yep.
A large water spout appeared near Effingham, but it seems the person filming may have added some extra sound effects to make the scene more dramatic.
Oh, really?
Right there! Right outside the window! Look at that.
I thought they was going to sing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow.
Stop right here, stop right here. It's gonna cross the road. One of us. Oh, listen to the roar. Listen to that roar.
No way. Is that actually going to go past them? That's going to dump on top of her.
Listen to that roar. Oh, man. Okay. Look at that motion. Okay, we're okay. Okay. Keep on going. Go forward a little bit. Go forward a little bit.
Wow. It's a twister! It's a twister!
What began as a simple test
Okay.
quickly turned into a massive fireball when an unexpected issue occurred with Starship 36.
I'm a fire starter! Twisted fire starter! Damn! Literally like hell itself, isn't it? Welcome to hell.
We hope today's footage brought you moments that were both fascinating and thought-provoking.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't
very
forget to like,
much.
subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm already subscribed, thank you, I think. Guys, I'll tell you what, that was fun. I enjoyed that. Let's just go back. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And this is the first of plenty of videos like this. Not only like this, I'm going to be doing police body cam footage as well, like American police body cam footage, because that's always really interesting. It's more interesting than anything the UK coppers have got. Our ones are boring. They really are. So, yeah, keep your eyes peeled for future videos. Remember, guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I'll see you in the next video.